What's up YouTube? Back for another quick install video. This one's going to be short and sweet. A little difficult though because of how the glue is. E-brake handle. Billetworkz e-brake handle. You'll be able to see there's the button. So all you want to do with this is just keep twisting to start it off. Keep twisting until it comes off. So all you're going to do is take that out. That'll be your spring. Set that with your button so you're not losing it. And then it's easy as taking all this off, your fabric and whatnot. E-brake is stuck in here with some glue. You see I have it off here a little bit to show you what I mean. That glue is going to be a big pain in your butt. So all you're going to want to do is just keep twisting and pulling, twisting and pulling. You're going to feel like you're going to break it. Don't worry about it. Just make sure you're not yanking this way because you might break the actual e-brake handle. Then you got that off. It's easy as that. So then now that you're going to get that off, you're going to be left with this. What I want to do is get your loud cars in the middle of a parking lot too, by the way. KFC parking lot. So all you're going to want to do is grab your new e-brake. This one's Billetworkz. I got a custom one from Billetworkz. They hooked us up with a nice little BRZ e-brake handle. So all you're going to want to do is put it in so it aligns. You're going to see these little thread fasteners. Make it so they're not pushing out and getting stuck on anything. Just line it up there. You'll see that little rivet there. Slide it on so that's facing the bottom. It'll stop itself. And then all you're going to want to do is grab your Allen keys and tighten all these little bolts here. Mini Allen key and tighten this up. So be meticulous. Grab your nice little spring. Throw your spring in there. Grab your button. Another Billetworkz item. Link to the description at the bottom. And then you're going to want to throw your button. And if it lines up correctly, it's not going to chafe on either side. So that's the only thing I noticed with the original. When I had my button in, it chafed on the side and it kind of ruined my button a little bit, but that's okay. So we just tighten it in until it's nice and tight. You don't want to break it, but you want to make sure it's in there nice and good. Starting to match, everything's matching. Make sure it goes up and down. Ooh, that's smooth. Ooh, piece of fabric. You guys will probably only have the original, so the original is a little harder to get on because it's a thicker leather. Put the Darth Vader glow-in-the-dark Billetworkz on. Now look at that, the finished product. Ended up picking Galaxy Red because I picked Galaxy Red with everything else. It feels really smooth on the hands, like it feels way better. Button is smooth, everything's nice and smooth. Matches the Billetworkz shifter. Ooh. I think next we'll have to go with the short throw shifter. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give a like and thumbs up, share. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Hope you guys have a great day. Make sure you chase your dreams, do what you love, and be good at it. Peace and love, everybody.